What are the grounds to file a Rule 32 petition in Arizona? Attorney Jared Allen explains that. There are several criteria for filing a Rule 32 petition. The most important is that a notice of petition needs to be filed within 90 days of sentencing in a case, and it has to be initiated by an attorney or by the defendant himself. When the defendant files the petition, the court will typically appoint counsel, hire their own to review the transcripts in the case, transcripts of the plea proceedings, transcripts of any settlement discussions and conferences that were held, and the sentencing itself. All of that would be reviewed, as well as the discovery, the police report, the evidence, and video or audio recordings. The new attorney who is reviewing these items would determine if what we call a manifest injustice occurred to the defendant in his case. The first way that we would do that would be ineffective assistance of counsel. A claim of ineffective assistance of counsel can't just be that your defense attorney didn't do everything you wanted or didn't do everything the way you wanted. The claim has to show that if not for the defense attorney's lack of doing something, you would have been potentially found innocent or received a substantially different sentence in the case. The second way is newly discovered evidence. Let's say the state finds new evidence and discloses it after a plea has already been entered in sentence, or even the defense team or somebody else comes forward and we now have evidence that contradicts what we knew about the case when the plea was entered. New evidence could result in a Rule 32 petition. If there is a subsequent change in the law, like there was there, that can result in Rule 32 petitions being triggered for people that were convicted under the improper reading of the law or an improper use of the law. When it comes to that, many times deadlines have passed, and so there are some motions and considerations that come into play as to whether the defendant can seek relief in cases like that or not. If you want to win your case, contact Attorney Jared Allen in Phoenix, Arizona today. With an impressive past record in criminal defense and DUI defense, you can be rest assured that the choices he helps you make will lead to an improvement in your situation.